Can you answer all of these 20 questions correctly? These are Ethiopian University History Entrance Examinations. Let's begin and try your best. Question number 1. Which Ethiopian emperor known for beginning of modernization of Ethiopia in mid-9th century? A. Yohannes IV, B. Tewodros II, C. Menelik II, and D. Haile Selassie I. The right answer is yes, B is the right answer. Emperor Tewodros II, who was the beginning of what? Modernization of Ethiopia. So one, centralization of government and introduction of modernization, and so on. Question number 2. The Battle of Adwa was fought in A. 1889, B. 1890, C. 1896, D. 1906. The right answer is yes, C is the right answer. It's fought on March 1, 1896. 3. Which treaty led to the conflict between Ethiopia and Italy before the Battle of Adwa? A. Treaty of Versailles, B. Treaty of Uchali, C. Treaty of London, D. Treaty of Addis Ababa. The right answer is B. It was Treaty of Uchali, which was signed on May 1895. Okay. However, it was rejected by side of Ethiopia and it became a cause for the outbreak of the battle of the War of Adwa, or the Battle of Adwa. For the founder of the Solomonic dynasty was A. Yekuno B. Lalibela, C. Amdezion, D. Zara Yacob. The answer is A. Yes, Yekuno, who was the restorer. He restored the so-called Solomonic dynasty in 1270. 5. Which port was the most important trade outlet for the medieval Muslim sultanates of Ethiopia? A. Adlus, B. Masawa, C. Zaila, D. Asab. The right answer is C. Yes, Zaila, a significant and the most important port in the Horn of Africa during the period under study, which was under the Muslim states of Ethiopia and the main economic source for the Muslim sultanates. I think it was a very minor question. Let's come to question number 7. The immediate cause of World War I was the assassination of A. Caesar William II, B. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, C. Napoleon III, D. Tsar Nicholas II. The right answer is yes, B. The Austro-Hungarian prince. He was known Archduke, okay, Franz Ferdinand. He was assassinated at Sarajevo. By whom? By Serb nationalists. This became triggered or the immediate cause for the outbreak of the war. 8. Which country was not a member of the Triple Entente? A. Britain, B. France, C. Russia, D. Italy. The right answer is yes, D is the right answer. Italy. Italy was not a member of the Triple Entente before the beginning of what? World War I. However, Italy shifted its position from Central Powers to Entente, or to the Allies, after 1 year, in 1915. 9. The League of Nations was established after A. World War I, B. World War II, C. The French Revolution, D. The Russian Revolution. The right answer is A. World War I. So, League of Nations, the first international organization which was established after the end of World War I, or after the Versailles Treaty. 10. Which event marked the beginning of the French Revolution? A. The storming of the Bastille, B. The Reign of Terror, C. The Congress of Vienna, D. The execution of Napoleon. The right answer is A is the right answer. The storming of the Bastille became what? The event marked the beginning of the French Revolution. Now we have reached to the middle of questions. Viewers or students, how many did you score from these 10 questions? I hope you got 10 out of 10. Let's continue to the remaining 10 questions. So the remaining 10 questions are really test your understanding and to what extent you are ready for the next year university entrance examination. Let's do it together. Question number 11. Who introduced Protestantism in Germany? A. Martin Luther, B. John Calvin, C. Henry VIII, D. Voltaire. The answer is yes, A. Martin Luther, who became the first reformist of the Protestant. So he established the Lutheran Church, Protestantism in Germany, especially in the northern part of Germans. 12. The Industrial Revolution first began in A. France, B. Germany, C. Britain, D. Italy. The answer is yes. Britain was the first industrialized state. So the answer is C. Different factor contributor for British to be the first industrialized state. One, as a geographical location having different harbor ports that make British to be what? Access to trading centers with different European states. The other was the existence of coal and iron ore. The next one is the culmination of capital, and there was stable kind of governments were there. 13. Which Ethiopian emperor made Catholicism the state religion? A. Jacob, B. Suetonius, C. Claudius, D. Iyasus I. The right answer is yes, B. King Suetonius, who made Catholicism to be a state religion, and 1622 he declared that. Okay, this led for the outbreak of what? Civil war between Orthodox versus the Catholics. 14. The Organization of African Unity, OA, was established or founded in 1957, A. 1957, B. 1960, C. 1963, D. 1965. The right answer is C. It was founded in 1963 in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa as political center. Headquarter became Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. 15. Which African country was not colonized during the Scramble of Africa? A. Ethiopia, B. Kenya, C. Congo, D. Algeria. The right answer is A is the right answer. Ethiopia is the only and the unique state from Africa was able to defend expansion of Italian colonizations. 16. The Derg came to power in Ethiopia in 1960, A. 1960, B. 1974, C. 1987, D. 1991. The right answer is yes, B. 1974. 17. The capital city established by Emperor Fasilides was A. Aksum, B. Lalibela, C. Harar, D. Gondar. The right answer is yes, it is Gondar. Gondar was established in 1636 as a permanent political center of the empire or the kingdom. 18. The Berlin Conference of 1884 to 1885 was mainly concerned with A. European trade in Asia, B. The division of Africa among European powers, C. The unification of Germany, D. The independence of Latin America. The right answer is yes, it is B. This is the division of Africa among European powers. The Berlin Conference, which was arranged by Otto von Bismarck in German. Okay, the main agenda is that to divide Africans among European colonizers. So this was to avoid or to avert possible outbreak of war between European powers, to avoid overlapping of interest, how effective occupation of a state is recognized. So it was for the sake of themselves. Okay, however, Africans were not participated, Africans were not invited. 19. Which superpowers emerged after World War II? A. Britain and France, B. Germany and Japan, C. Italy and Britain, D. The United States and Soviet Union. The right answer is yes, it is D. After World War II, two superpowers emerged, the United States and the Soviet Union, Russia. And this was the period which was marked by the emergence of the Cold War. A war of what? An ideology, a propaganda, capitalist versus socialists. Viewers, now we have reached to the last question, question number 20. Was said, which Ethiopian rebellion took place during the reign of Emperor Haile Selassie I? A. Wayani rebellion, B. Zaman of Servants, C. Yeju rule, D. Battle of Imbabu. The answer is yes, it is A. Wayani rebellion, which took place in 1942-243 in the southern part of Tigray. So it was a resistance against harsh treatment, corruption, and land taxation. So there was Azraya Zabo, and there was the people of Wajrat in some area. They resisted, and however, by the support of a British military or air force who bombarded the peasants or the rebellions of the peasants, and finally it was crushed. Thank you for watching. Now we have completed questions here. Okay, How many did you score from these 20 questions? Put your answers or your score in the comment section box. I will react to that. Thank you for watching these videos. If you like it, okay? Like the video, share for the other students of the world, for the other viewers of the world, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you have any comment, put your comment in the comment section box, okay? I will react to that. Have a nice time till the next videos. Till then, bye bye.